Welcome back to my channel. It's Patricia Lee. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified in every new videos I will upload. In this video, I will teach you how to count from 0 to 10 in Japanese. And I will teach you the easy way to count from 1 to 100. So without further ado, let's start! In Japanese, they also use 0, but they have their own word for 0, which is rei or maru. Rei or maru is 0. Ichi, which is 1. Ni, 2. San, 3. Shi or yon is 4. Go, 5. Roku, 6. Nana or shichi is 7. Hachi, 8. Q or ku is 9. And 10 is ju. Again, rei, ichi, ni, san, shi or yon, go, roku, nana or shichi, hachi, kyu or ku, and ju. You can often encounter these types of counting. They're combined with counters for counting objects. And once you memorize this, counting up to 100 will be a lot easier for you. I will give you examples for you to understand it better. Ju plus ichi equals ju ichi or 11. Ju plus ni equals ju ni or 12. And so on and so forth. When it comes to 20s, same concept. Example, ni plus ju equals niju or 20. And so on up to 99. I hope you can follow this, guys. And 100 gets a new word, which is hyaku. And here's the big numbers in Japanese. Hyaku, 100. Sen, 1,000. Man, 10,000. Juman, 100,000. Hyakuman, 1 million. Senman, 10 million. Ichioku, 100 million. And Juoku is 1 billion. Counting in Japanese is easy, right? I hope you memorize counting from 1 to 10. And counting from 1 to 100 will be so easier for you. Let me know about your thoughts by commenting it down below. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if there's anything you want to see to my next video, please comment it down below and I will try my best to do your request. So guys, this is Patricia Lee saying, please take care, stay healthy, and God bless you all. See you again to my next video. Bye!